Hi, welcome back, Elixiers. You know what? I just can't voice over at this point. Maybe in future when I have right gears to do so, but not right now. Anyway, let's start 7th chapter of our responsive web design series. That is, learn typography by building a nutrition label. Typography is just the art of styling our texts. By using that, we're gonna build a nutrition label webpage. Let's get started. Looks familiar? Try guessing which product's nutrition facts that is. I'm no nutrition expert, but looks like it got hella calories. Step 1. They provided us basic HTML boilerplate. Now we just need to further boil it until it shows its true colors. Let's create an H1 element within our body and give it the text as nutrition facts. Facts for consumers, but not for us. Step 2. Now, let's add a paragraph element below our heading element with the text as 8 servings per container. I'm still unable to guess the product. Is it cookies? Step 3. Let's add another paragraph element with the text as serving size 2 or 3 cup, 55g. Okay, it's definitely not cookies. Step 4. Now it's time to start styling our texts. So within our head element, let's add a link element with the relation attribute set to style sheet and the hypertext reference attribute set to the given link, which gonna help with font styles. It's gonna import the Open Sans font family with the font weight values such as 400, 700, and 800. But let's not forget to link our styles.css file to our HTML. Step 5. Now let's create a body selector and give it a font family set to Open Sans with the fallback of sans serif. But let's not forget to wrap our fonts with spaces, which is Open Sans here to be wrapped with inverted commas or quotation marks. Step 6. The font is a bit small. So let's create an HTML selector and set the font to have a size of 16 pixels. Step 7. Let's wrap our H1 and P elements in a division element, and then give that division element a class attribute set to label. Step 8. Let's set our borders straight. Borders can be used to group and prioritize content. So create a label class selector and give it a border set to 2 pixels solid black. Step 9. If you watch chefs decorating their plate, they place their food in the center and value negative space to put all the focus on the food in the center. Here, we want our consumers to focus on the text. Hence, let's give our label class selector a width property set to 270 pixels. Step 10. Let's give our label selector a margin property set to 20 pixels auto and a padding property set to 0 and 7 pixels. See? Now you're focused on the label. Step 10. Let's give our label selector a margin property set to 20 pixels auto and a padding property set to 0 and 7 pixels. See? Now you're focused on the label. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Hope you all like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for upcoming chapters. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.